Sledgehammer. We should have Peter Gabriel playing in the background. Sledgehammer. Yeah, these things are beautiful just without the roof on them.
Yeah, they are.
Parlez bien, Luckey.
Okay.
Parlez bien, ça veut dire.
Okay, smack it in.
No,
Smack that corner in.
Il a pris ça.
You can hit the bamboo.
When you're done Don't hit the bamboo.
Il y a no bamboo here.
Hit the bamboo. Can't hurt it.
Oh, that's right.
Sledgehammer. Don't
hit the wood, yeah. Get some blocks.
Here.
We need to go longer. Squeeze it.
Oh, I got it.
Our fearless leader.
We're going to rack this building like a pool game.
Big time. Bam.
Rack it up.
Bam. All done.
I want to be the 8-ball, baby. Look at this. This is bamboo right here, baby.
Hey, is the plywood tight to the foundation? Right? Look at the other way where Francis is. It's hanging over. Right? Right there. Hanging over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smack it that way. Smack it this way. Smack it this, yeah. Smack that corner up tight. You can kind of see it from the inside here. It's kind of bowing out. That's how. Keep it coming. Bring it all the way.
Go ahead, Jer. Come on, big man.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
When we get this ceiling on in front, we can suck these walls together.
How are your hands, Francis?
And that'll pull that up.
You want something longer, Francis?
All right.
Let me support that long.
The vibration of that, man. Why don't you pick up baseball or something, buddy? You could have been the next big poppy. David Ortiz, Boston Red Sox. You. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Watch out, I got a camera in my hand. We have fun at Bamboo Island Homes. Look at this. Boom. Shaka. Shaka Kong. Let me rock ya. Yeah. God, that sounds good.
See what I mean? What it's going to do is it's going to push this angle open. He's pushing here. It's going to push this cross direction open so we get our square. All right, hit it a couple more times and we'll take another measurement.
Just be kind to Francis.
That building just shimmying right along.
Okay.
Okay.
Pull that tape.
I'm going to throw tape. Coming to you, Slim. Here we go, brother. All right. Right on the corner. Okay.
We gotta get these stairs up for the open house,
We got
huh?
an inch.
Or at least a ladder.
Talk to your framers. We got an inch there. We're at 17.1. All right, let's see how we do the other way.
Okay, this building went up in 40 minutes on August 8th, 2009, St. Croix, Discovery Grove.
Yeah, baby. 11-inch hangout, 11 foot. All right, I'm liking that about right there.
Oh, yeah?
All right, we still need a couple inches.